Okay. I was gonna wait till I got home, but I'm gonna do it now. Because it's nice, peaceful land over here. Quiet. Sounds of nature. But of course, you know, cars and trucks will start passing by because I just hit record. This is the GoPro 10 and a little package deal here. I'm using the GoPro 8 to record the unboxing of the GoPro 10 in the back of the truck. Let's see which one is which. Got some accessories and I got the camera. Look at that. I did this with the bundle, with the subscription, and also got the dual charger, extra battery, the door with the USB cable. This might be, let's see what this is here. I have no idea. Okay, the SD card. See, here comes the truck now. See, all peaceful and quiet until I hit record. Okay, all of a sudden it's gonna be the busiest road on the planet. That always happens. So all three of these, this came to $476, and that's with, I'm sorry, four. Oh yeah, the bundle has a little shorty tripod. Has this case. Oh, here we go. This is what it includes: a magnetic clip, extra battery. So it's got a bunch of shit, which is really cool. I cursed. Alright, so with the subscription though, all this was $476. Without, it would have been $586. So it was totally worth getting it with the subscription. Saved myself $110, and I just don't have to renew it next year. And I got these accessories cheaper with the subscription. This was normally like $50, I got it for $35. This was $20, I got it for $13. The card came with the bundle, so that's just, they didn't put it in here. I don't know why. But there's a lot of accessories and shirts and hats and everything, so if you get the subscription, just do it that way, and you're gonna get a ton of stuff for, I mean, anywhere from like 15 to like 50% off. It's totally worth to do for the year. Totally worth it, in my opinion. You're gonna save yourself a ton of money. And just don't renew the subscription. Just stock up on the accessories, tripods, batteries, chargers. That's my opinion, because this right here is $110 cheaper doing it through the subscription, and that's including the $50 year subscription, and it was still $110 cheaper because I got these discounted. So I might get some more stuff, but I'm not going to renew that subscription because I'm not going to use the cloud stuff. I'm not going to use any of that. Let's see what's in here. So the last GoPro I got is the 8, and that's what I'm recording this with right now. 4K 30 super wide. I guess there's no way. Oh, look at that little tear thingy. So this is really cool. I waited. I didn't want to get the 9. I just felt it wasn't good enough, and I think the 10 is a big jump from the 8. My opinion again. I know it's a bigger camera. A lot of my stuff won't work from the 8 to the 10, but this is a huge upgrade from the 8. My opinion. So you get the little traditional bracket there, and that should work. I believe this works on my this will work on my 8 and also my GoPro 7. It's cool. Magnetic clip sticking to something. It was sticking to the cable. I could test that out. So now it's cool though. I have 3 batteries. I got 2 here, then the 1 in here. So I have that's nice. There it is. Really cool looking. I was interested in the 9 last year. I was like, I'm not gonna get it every year. But the jump from the specs from the 8 to this one, it's just the frame rates are like doubled in every option. And it got now I could swap the lens again. I can't do that on the 8. The nice viewfinder, I'm sorry, the display in the front. It's got just a little bigger. I'll have to take a picture of that later. They gave a 32 gigabyte card. To be honest, the way I use it, that's not too bad. I don't use it in too long of increments. But I'll see, because I do have 128, I think, in my 8. I could always use that one and put the 32 in the 8, since I might be using this one more, obviously. So that's that part. Yeah, the batteries, yeah, the bigger camera, bigger batteries. I always like to stick with the GoPro stuff. Just like with my Samsung devices, it just, not everything OEM, but certain things you just wanna. My opinion, again, you don't want to mess around with the batteries. GoPro ones are just designed better for the camera. You can get aftermarket clips and stuff, which I've used, and they're just as good. They're fine. You save yourself money there. Oh, we got a shorty and a longie. That's pretty cool. I like that. I will say this 3M tape is insane. It sticks really good. Put on my hockey helmet, it never comes off. So we got some cables I see here. Okay. That's the one the magnet was sticking to. There's your normal A to C. It's probably like a 3 foot at max, maybe shorter. There's something down here too. I don't know if I can get it out like this, but I'm gonna try. Damn it, I was trying to keep everything neat. That might be just a filler. Yeah, that was just a filler, nothing there. Okay. I tried to keep this neat. I screwed it up. Leave it to me. Screwed it up. I'll figure that out later. Whatever. So here's a little shorty, I guess. That's what they call this. They ain't kidding. How do you open it? Magnetic? Yeah, sucker's pretty strong. Oh, pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Alright, that's pretty wild. That works. And there's a little... Oh, I like that. Damn it, I had to mess with this, right? Anyone paying attention? Because I lost it. I don't know how this works. We'll get that later. I'll fix it out, figure it out later. Ooh, little rubber teeth in there. That's pretty cool. Never had one of these from GoPro before, so that's new. Put the little clippies. I can never get the stuff back in here. I always screw this up. Look at this, I already did. Where are the batteries? I already messed it up. I wasn't paying attention. I gotta watch the video and see how I do this. Okay, so here they tell you the camera must be updated before use. I saw that in other videos. I'm sure I got the GoPro stickers. Yep, tradition. 3 different ones instead of 2 of the same. I like that better. Put the card in here for now because I'm going to mess around with this inside. While I work, I can do some updates. Let's check these out. Keep this video nice and straight to the point. Nope, forgot to put that in there. Go back to the boxes here. Okay, so this is the dual battery and charger. I don't know if I flipped everything when I was doing this video because I know the camera's on the other side of me, but whatever. There's a million of these unboxing videos. I'm not an unboxer, I'm a user, but I just do this for the hell of it. Little petite. Oopsies. Okay, I love these dual chargers. I had this for the 8. It works fine, fantastic. I love it. And I'm glad I got 3 batteries now instead of 1 or 2. Another USB cable. Oop. So that's that. Very basic, very straightforward. Can I get this back in here? Probably not. Ready? Look, I screwed something else up again. Oh, I didn't. I got it right. I have one more thing to screw up. Let's try this one. This I got on, I like the fact that I could charge it and use it at the same time. I have the same thing for the 8. Just times I almost went in the pool though, without putting another door back on. And I almost got water inside the camera. So that's something to be aware of. if you're gonna go swimming with it without a water case, make sure you put the other door back on, because this is very nice. You can swap out the doors. Oh wow, I think this actually keeps it waterproof. If the cable is connected, maybe. Oh, water resistant. I wouldn't say proof. Okay, water resistant. Yeah, that's rubber. Nice. So yeah, you can feel the. So it causes like a seal. So there's no way rain's getting in there. You don't want to go underwater with that, but that's good against rain. Advantages, if you don't want to keep swapping batteries and you want to keep the video going, this is a great thing to use. Like, I guess time lapse or long videos. So that's pretty cool. I like it on the 8. It works great. But this one's much better, I see, for the 10. The one I have for the 8 is an aftermarket one. It's not an official GoPro one, and this one's much better. So there you have it, folks. So again, my opinion was doing it with the subscription. And just load up on accessories, because you're going to get those discounts. Anywhere from like, I think it's like 15 to 50%. I saved myself $110, and that's including the $50 subscription. So it was still $110 cheaper. And I'm just not going to renew it. I'm just going to load up on accessories. I might get some hats, shirts, I don't know, stuff that I always wanted. A backpack. Right now I get one of them for like $70 down from $100. That's a $30 discount. That's pretty good. And I could use that from this and my Nikon. So that's it, folks. And this is outside my job. Sometimes there's deer here. A little later on, I could fly the drone out in that field. It's very peaceful here, very quiet. This is Marlboro, New Jersey. So, coming from Long Island, this is a big change, and I love it. It's very quiet here. Been here 9 years. So look for my other videos on my YouTube. You'll see the drone videos. I don't think I have any deer on the drone, but I use my Nikon to get zoomed in on them. I have plenty of those. Thank you for watching. And you're going to see videos in the future from this GoPro 10. There will be future videos. I shall try it and upload them whenever. Adios.